Hi guys! In this video, we'll be discussing the histology of the heart. We are going to begin by discussing the basic histological structure of arteries and veins. Arteries are organized in three major tunics or layers. The tunica intima is the innermost coat. It consists of an endothelial lining continuous with the endocardium, the inner lining of the heart, an intermediate layer of loose connective tissue called the subendothelium, and an external layer of elastic fibers called the internal elastic lamina. The tunica media is the middle coat. It consists mainly of smooth muscle cells surrounded by a variable number of collagen fibers, extracellular matrix, and fenestrated elastic membranes. The collagen fibers provide a supporting framework for smooth muscle cells and limit the distensibility of the wall of the vessel. The tunica externa or adventitia is the outer coat and consists mainly of connective tissue. An external elastic lamina can be seen separating the tunica media from the tunica adventitia. Veins are also organized into three major tunics or layers. The tunica intima lines the lumen and consists of a layer of endothelium and a subadjacent basal lamina. A distinct internal elastic lamina is not seen. The muscular tunica media is thinner than in arteries, and smooth muscle cells have an irregular orientation, approximately circular. A longitudinal orientation is observed in the superior and inferior vena cava and other veins as well. The tunica adventitia consists of collagen fibers and fibroblasts, with few nerve fibers. In large veins, the vasa vasorum penetrates the wall. We'll now discuss the histological structure of the heart wall. The heart is a folded endothelial tube whose wall is thickened to act as a regulated pump. The wall of the heart consists of three layers: your endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. The endocardium is homologous to the tunica intima of blood vessels. It consists of an endothelial lining and subendothelial connective tissue. The myocardium is continuous with the tunica media of blood vessels. It consists of a functional syncytium of striated cardiac muscle fibers, forming three major types of cardiac muscle. This includes atrial muscle, ventricular muscle, specialized excitatory muscle, and conductive muscle fibers. The epicardium is formed by the visceral layer of the pericardium, similar to the tunica adventitia of blood vessels. It is a low-friction surface lined by a mesothelium in contact with the parietal pericardial space. We'll now discuss the three important cell types that are prominent in the myocardium of the heart wall. These consist of your contractile, myoendocrine, and nodal cardiomyocytes. The myoendocrine cardiomyocytes produces the atrial natriuretic factor, ANP, which is a potent polypeptide hormone that stimulates diuresis and natriuresis. Lastly are the nodal cells, which are responsible for controlling the rhythmic contractions of the heart. These cells are located in 1. The sinoatrial or SA node at the superior vena cava to right atrium junction, and 2. The atrioventricular node present under the endocardium of the interatrial and interventricular septa. We are lastly going to discuss the structure of the conducting system of the heart, which consists of 5 things. It consists of your sinoatrial node, which acts as a pacemaker, your atrioventricular node, your atrioventricular bundle or your bundle of His, and your Purkinje fibers, which is the 5th thing. Thank you for watching. That brings us to the end of the histology of the heart. Please make sure you do the quiz. The link can be found in the description below.